Okay, today I'm going to show you how to hook up an outdoor shower / sprayer using a 12-volt pump and just a few parts from Lowe's. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is a 12-volt pump, some 18-gauge wire, an optional hose, PVC tubing, connectors to connect the hose to the sprayer, and some clamps, and last thing, a sprayer. And I'll list all these in the description below. Okay, so the RV hose, the white hose, is optional. You really don't need it if you have enough of the clear PVC piping, but it can't hurt. Just throw it in the van. If you need to extend this, you can do that. Just take off the sprayer, connect the hose, put the sprayer back on, and you're good to go. Okay, cut the hose to length, and you're going to hook one end to the intake and one to the outtake using these clamps. And make sure you tighten these clamps really tight. If not, more than likely this pump is going to leak on you, but you'll see it right away. Once you turn the pump on, you'll see maybe a drop of water squeeze out of those. Once you're done getting all your tubing cut to length, then you want to put on the end that connects to the garden hose or the sprayer. Do the same thing with those clamps, tighten them up. It's not as critical if this part leaks, but you really don't want any of it leaking. It's just awkward screwing these clamps on. And now I'm putting some Teflon tape on there. So then I'm going to put this connector that will make sure I can hook a garden hose or a sprayer to that. And you can see I'm getting the pliers I have at hand. I ended up having to get better wrenches to do this because it did leak just a little bit. I'm using my electrical pliers on one end, so that wasn't the best thing to do. And there you have it. And you're pretty much done at this point as far as hooking it to the hose. And that's all it takes. Just screw the hose on. Or you can hook the sprayer directly to it. Okay, here's the finished product. The pump's mounted. You can see one hose goes into the 5-gallon container and the other hose goes out, in this case, just to the sprayer. So right now I haven't put the cap on. I'll drill a hole in there just to keep the water from sloshing out. And I have about 6 feet of hose on this sprayer. And this is what it looks like from the back of the van. And then I wired it up to this switch at the bottom. So you turn it on and you can hear the pump come on. And you just grab the sprayer. And voila, it's spray. Change the method. And it sprays pretty far. It's not as powerful as a house hose, but it does the trick. And here's the connector that connects it either to the hose or this sprayer. The two connectors, rather. And I'm going to show you what I had to do, because when you use this PVC tubing, you have to weight it down so it sits at the bottom of the water. And I just got another connector, I think with a 3/8 inch diameter, and shoved it in there, put another clamp on, then put another nut on the end of it to weight it down. And that's all you have to do. And now you have an outside shower. Thanks for watching.